Hey guys, Swapnil here, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Apple iPhone XR and giving you a closer look at the iPhone XR itself. So let me give you an overview of the box itself. On the front here we have an illustration of the phone itself with this earth wallpaper on it and nothing else. So on the right hand side we have the iPhone branding, on the left hand side iPhone branding, Apple logos on the top and the bottom. And on the back here we have the branding that says that this is the 64GB model, and these are the things included in the box. As you can see, MRP price quoted on the box is about 76,900 rupees, but this is easily available online as well as offline for about 60,000 rupees. And if you have an HDFC credit card or a debit card, you can get additional 6,000 discount on the purchase of this particular product, so which will actually come to your bank account as a cashback. So I'll lift the lid here. I've already set up the phone, but I wanted to do an unboxing because this will be my first iPhone unboxing on my channel. So yeah, so here is the pamphlets and the leaflets. So designed by Apple in California. Let's look at the documentation. Hello. This is basically a quick start guide with the buttons and the controls. We also have the user guide. Then we have some regulatory information. And here we have the SIM ejector tool along with an illustration as to how to remove the SIM tray. And here we have the classic Apple stickers. They look amazing, don't they? Anyways, let's look at the phone itself. So here is the phone. I've already set it up, but I haven't removed the plastic, so let's do that now. So I'll keep the phone to the side and we'll look at the accessories in the box. So here we have the earpods, not the AirPods obviously. And these have the lightning port on the other end. So let's just take them out. So yeah, these are the earpods, as you can see for yourself. Other than that, we have the wall adapter. So this is 5 watts. This is very tiny, which is a good thing, but then this is 5 watts, which is painfully slow to charge a phone like this, which has a relatively big 3000 mAh battery for iPhones. That's big really. So let's see, probably later I might go and get the fast charger, or I'll just charge it with my iPad charger. And here we have the lightning cable. So USB-A to lightning cable. We'll keep these things to the side and we'll have a look at the phone itself. So here is the iPhone XR. I'll just unlock it. So on the front here we have a 6.1 inch 1792 by 828 pixel display. It's higher than 720p but lesser than 1080p, which is really sad though. This on the back here we have the 12 megapixel camera, which is capable of 4K video recording. On the inside, this is powered by the Apple A12 Bionic chipset and it has about 3 gigs of RAM. On the front here we have the notch, which houses the Face ID sensors. Then this is the LCD screen, as I already mentioned, 6.1 inches. On the top we have nothing. On the left hand side we have the volume rockers and the mute switch. On the bottom we have speakers, microphones and the lightning port. On the right hand side we have the multi-purpose button, which also acts as the CD button, the lock and the unlock button, and it has multiple features. On the back we have the Apple logo, the iPhone logo, and the LED flash, the microphone, and the camera itself. That's 12 megapixels. So I'll give you an overview. So this is currently running on iOS version 12 and 13 is on its way, coming very soon. So yep, this was an overview video and an unboxing video of the iPhone XR, guys. That would be it for this video. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, feel free to hit the thumbs up button down below, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching.